What's the meaning of Caesar salad? Caesar salad. Caesar salad.
Caesar salad. Caesar salad. Caesar salad is a popular dish that originated from Mexico in the early 1900s. It typically consists of romaine lettuce, croutons, Parmesan cheese, and a dressing made from garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, and anchovies. To make the salad, the lettuce is chopped, the croutons are baked or sautéed, and the dressing is mixed together and poured over the lettuce. The result is a refreshing and tangy salad that can be served as a main course or as a side dish. Caesar salad is enjoyed worldwide and has become a staple in many restaurants and households.